31 years of legacy, 31 years of excellence. Last year, we celebrated a milestone. This year, we celebrate momentum. 31 represents strength with stability, maturity with ambition. We are no longer just building credibility. We are defining the standards of our industry. From our first small office in 1995 to 1 lakh plus professionals across the globe. From manpower provider to technology-led manpower solutions. Behind the IoT and the analytics, our foundation remains the same, unwavering trust. 30 years represented legacy. 31 represents leadership. The best of Tenon is yet to come.
Jai Hind! Thank you.
Chairman Sir, Vice Chairman Sir, distinguished leadership team, respected dignitaries, and the most vital part of the great institution, the Tenon family. Today is not merely a date on a calendar, it is a celebration of a legacy built over 3 decades. We are here to honor 31 years of disciplined growth, 31 years of trusted relationship, and 31 years of the gold standard in the industry.
31st ईयर में हम पहले से ज्यादा फोकस्ड हैं, ज्यादा शार्प हैं और अगले बड़े गोल्स के लिए बिल्कुल तैयार हैं।
अच्छा, अब वो लोग खड़े हो जाएं जो सुबह शिफ्ट स्टार्ट होने से 15 मिनट पहले ऑफिस पहुंच जाते हैं। तो ये लोग जो हैं, इनके लिए डिसिप्लिन एक वर्ड नहीं, इनकी जिंदगी बन चुकी है। तो गाइस, एक तालियां तो बनती हैं इन लोगों के लिए जोरदार वाली। ये इस एनर्जी की बात कर रही थी मैं, भावना, जो 32nd ईयर को दिखा रही है कि हाँ 32 साल हो गए टेनॉन को और स्टिल द एनर्जी इज हियर।
In 1995, a vision was engraved in stone, a vision to create an organization rooted in military-grade discipline and absolute integrity.
एक ऐसा लीडर जिन्होंने हमें सिखाया कि डिसिप्लिन ही सक्सेस की असली चाबी है।
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise and join your hands together in resounding round of applause for the keynote address by our global chairman, sir, the guiding force of the Tenon Group, Major Manjeet Rajan.
जय हिंद। 31 years is a landmark. आज तो कह सकते हैं कि हो सकता है एक दिन हम 100 साल भी मनाएंगे कंपनी के। इसी तरह एक बहुत बड़ी गैदरिंग होगी। अगली जनरेशन या उससे अगली जनरेशन जो है वो 100 ईयर सेलिब्रेट करेगी, सेनेंटरी सेलिब्रेट करेगी। लेकिन जब ये कंपनी सेटअप की थी, ये नहीं सोचा था कि कभी हम ऐसे 31 साल मनाएंगे, इतने खूबसूरत हॉल में बैठे होंगे, आप सब इकट्ठे होंगे, ये नहीं सोचा था। तब तो ऐसा लगता था कि यार एक क्लाइंट और आ जाए और 2 गार्ड लगा ले तो कमाल हो जाएगा। ये बड़ा लंबा सफ़र तय किया इस कंपनी ने फ्रॉम दैट लेवल टुडे टू रीचिंग वेयर वी आर टुडे। कोई डैशबोर्ड नहीं था, 2 गाड़ियाँ थी कंपनी में टोटल, कोई टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं थी, कोई सेल फोन नहीं था। उस ज़माने से आज के ज़माने तक आते आते एक पूरी जनरेशन निकल गई है। आज वही स्टेज पे टेनॉन और पेरिगन की फैमिली है, which has gone from one generation to the next one. It's a very proud moment for any chairman and it's a very emotional moment also कि कहाँ आप बिल्कुल ज़ीरो थे, कहाँ से कहाँ आए आप। It's really beautiful और इस चीज़ के लिए I must congratulate each one of you. I must congratulate all those people who helped me set up this company and bring it to this level. मैं एडवांस में उन सब लोगों को congratulate करना चाहता हूँ who are going to get awards over here. Because ये award लेना आसान नहीं होता है. There's a lot of competition. इतने gap से ये awards decide होते हैं. I'm very proud of it that our vice chairman heads this whole effort and I must thank him for that. So congratulations to all those who will get the awards and my congratulations to all those who also participated and were nearly there. So well done and congratulations. And last but not the least, I will not forget to thank all the wonderful people who have made this event happen. Thank you very much everybody. Jai Hind.
We now begin the first segment of our appreciation, the Association Award. At Tenon, we believe that longevity is a testament to culture. These awards are the token of our recognition for employees who have been committed to the company's vision and goals for 5, 10, 15, 20 and over 25 years. हम as an organization आपके इस dedication को सलाम करते हैं।
Now moving on to the 10 years.
"15 years in an ever-changing corporate world. Spending 15 years with one organization is a badge of honor. These individuals have witnessed the evolution of Tenon and have played a key role in mentoring the next generation." We have two exceptional individuals receiving the 20 and 25 years Association Award. May I request our Global Chairman, Sir Major Manjeet Rajan, and our Vice Chairman, Sir Brigadier Rajan Oberoi, to kindly present these special awards.
और 20 years अवॉर्डी हैं दिलीप भाई विलजी भाई खरादी, मैनेजर ऑपरेशंस अहमदाबाद। 25 years अवॉर्डी के लिए एक बहुत ही खास सिल्वर सैल्वर दिया जाएगा। ये एक निशानी है हमारे ग्रैटिट्यूड की उनके 25 साल के इस बेमिसाल सफर के लिए। एंड द अवॉर्डी इज Mr. Naresh Kumar, Senior Manager Operations, Gurgaon.
Our first category in the Performance Award is Fast Starter Award. This accolade is specifically designed for our new employees who have demonstrated impressive growth and success with a remarkably short period. These individuals didn't wait for a manual, they showed innovation and zeal.
दीपक सर, आपके हिसाब से फास्ट स्टार्टर क्या होता है? जो फास्ट काम करे या प्रिसीशन के साथ काम करे?
हमारे हिसाब से फास्ट स्टार्टर वो होता है अपनी जो पोटेंशियल है वो कम टाइम में प्रूव कर दे, तो वो फास्ट है एक्चुअली।
वेरी नाइस आंसर। थोड़ी जोर से तालियां हो जाए यार।
टेनॉन में डेजिग्नेशन से ज्यादा मैटर करता है डेडिकेशन, और आज हम उन्हीं लोगों को सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं जो हर दिन एक्सीलेंस को जीते हैं। टू प्रेजेंट द सुपरस्टार ऑफ द ईयर अवार्ड, आई इनवाइट मेजर सुरेंद्र सिंह, COO TFM, and Brigadier Mayank Awasthi, MD PGPL, onto the stage, please.
The Shooting Star Award. This honor is bestowed upon our business development team members who, through their business acumen and commitment, ensure that the highest level of targets were met this year.
कैसा लगा आपकी टीम को अवार्ड्स मिल रहे हैं?
टीम में किसी को भी अवार्ड मिले, इट्स अ सक्सेस फॉर मी। मेरी टीम सक्सेसफुल है तो मैं सक्सेसफुल हूँ।
कैसा लग रहा है आप सबको? That's the जोश I want.
We now move to the category that sits at the very heart of our service philosophy, the Customer Hero Award. At Tenon, we don't just provide a service, we build a shield of trust. This honor is dedicated to those colleagues who ensure that critical client requirement and high-pressure situations were handled in the absolute least turnaround time.
टेनॉन कनेक्ट एप्लीकेशन, उसे नहीं भूलना चाहिए जब हम एक्सीलेंस इन ऑपरेशंस की बात कर रहे हैं। टेनॉन कनेक्ट के बारे में आई होप सब जानते होंगे। एक एप्लीकेशन है जो हमने इनोवेट किए, इन हाउस एप्लीकेशन है हमारी टेनॉन की, जो हेल्प करती है हमारी ऑपरेशंस टीम को ऑपरेशंस एकदम बेस्ट करने के लिए। तो एक बार जोरदार तालियां इन सारे अवॉर्डीज को।
To present the Excellence in Operation Award to our winners, I invite Brigadier Sunil NV, MD PGPL East and SAM, and Mr. Deepak Jain, our Group CFO. We introduced a significant category, the Impactful Idea of the Year Award. This is dedicated to individuals, teams, or project group who didn't just suggest a change, but successfully implemented a solution that created a measured impact on the company's growth. Now we move to the category that reflects the true spirit of One Tenon, the Best Enabler of the Year Award. This is very unique accolade because it cannot be given to a member of your own team. This award is for those individuals from support functions or other departments who have gone out of their way to help other departments meet its business objectives.
तो लीडर कौन होता है जो हमें एक सही रास्ता दिखाए, एक हमें दिशा दिखाए कि ऐसे आगे बढ़ना है। हम सबकी लाइफ में एक कोई ना कोई ऐसा लीडर होगा और मुझे लगता है उस लीडरशिप को, जो भी वो लीडर है, उसे अप्रिशिएट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। नाउ दिस शोज यूनिटी, हर कोई एक दूसरे के लिए खड़ा हुआ है। दिस इज़ वॉट वी कॉल यूनिटी। एक परिवार, हम सिर्फ कहते नहीं है टेनॉन फैमिली, ये अभी जो हमने दृश्य देखा है वो सीरियसली दिखाया है। सब एक दूसरे के लिए खड़े हुए हैं कि ये हमारा नेबलर है, ये हमारा नेबलर है।
As we celebrate 31 years, we must acknowledge that our growth hasn't just been a number, but in characters. The Tenon Value Leaders Award was introduced to celebrate colleagues who consistently displayed our 6 core values: dignity, integrity, innovation, responsibility, humility, and passion. There aren't just words on the wall. They are our principles that guide every action. These winners are the brand ambassador of our culture.
एक एग्जेम्पलरी लीडर वही होता है जो अपने टीम की सक्सेस में अपनी सक्सेस देखता है। इन्होंने बिजनेस नंबर्स के साथ साथ लोगों पर भी इन्वेस्ट किया है। इनका पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट हमारे कल्चर में साफ दिखता है।
So to present this award, I would like Shashank Meswani, Head of Operation and Technology, Singapore, to join on stage.
अगला और आखिरी सेगमेंट है कमाल की टीम, द वाइस चेयरमैन बैनर और द मोस्ट अवेटेड चेयरमैन्स बैनर।
We have recognized many individual milestones today, but as we all know, the true strength of Tenon lies in our collective effort. We now present the Best Team Award, also known as Kamal Ki Team. We have 2 exceptional teams receiving the Kamal Ki Team Award. To present the award, I would again like to invite our Global Chairman, Major Manjeet Rajan, and our Vice Chairman, Sir, Brigadier Rajan Oberoi. So please come on the stage.
This is absolutely a teamwork. Each and every team member who is present here and the people who are working in the branch, they are equally deserving this award. It is their award and thank you so much for keeping faith on us. Thank you, sir.
मंथ ऑन मंथ बेसिस पे जो मीटिंग करते हैं, जो वीकली हम टारगेट की बात करते हैं, वो पूरे टीम एफर्ट्स हैं जो कि सारे मिलके कलेक्टिव क्लाइंट के पास जाना, कलेक्शन करना, टोटली टीम एफर्ट्स। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
To announce and present the Vice Chairman banner, may I request our Vice Chairman, Brigadier Rajan Oberoi, sir, to kindly share his thoughts and announce the winner.
This is one award which we started a couple of years ago. It takes a lot of effort to be able to pinpoint a leader above other leaders because we have wonderful leaders across the entire spectrum of the Tenon Group. Each of them performing way beyond expectations and doing so well. That is why where we are going, we are. So it took a lot of effort. We sort of made out matrices after matrices, took views, 360 degrees views from so many people, and then finally came down to a conclusion. The winner for the Vice Chairman's leadership banner is Brigadier Mayank Avasthi.
Guys, please loud round of applause for Brigadier Mayank Avasthi, sir.
I'm deeply honored for receiving this award, and it's not a personal achievement. It's the collective effort of the team, their hard work, their dedication, which has actually paved the way for me to work much more. And I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the leadership, Chairman Sir, Vice Chairman, Siddharth Sir, for guiding me, motivating me, and ensuring that I perform. And to the entire Northern team who have, in spite of my idiosyncrasies, have performed beyond their expectations. I would like to assure the Chairman that the targets which we have set, with all our heart, soul, mind and body, we will achieve more than what we have been set for. Thank you, sir.
And now, we arrive at the absolute pinnacle of the Raising Day, the Chairman Banner of Excellence. This banner was introduced on our Silver Jubilee in 2020 and represents the gold standard of Tenon Group. The criteria are incredibly tough: low attrition, growth percentage, client satisfaction, and operational excellence. It is not just about winning, it is about sustaining perfection throughout the year.
To announce this most prestigious award of the year, please join me in welcoming our Global Chairman, Major Manjeet Rajan sir, back to the podium.
So the winner this time is Peregrine, Singapore.
But yeah, this wouldn't have been possible without the 500 security officers we have on ground back in Singapore. So I would like to thank them and the 23 odd support staff that we have in our office, our HODs, our CEO, and the senior leadership in India. Thank you so much for all the guidance and support. Thank you.
On behalf of the senior leadership, our chairman, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you. The organization stands tall because of your discipline, your commitment, and your belief in what we are doing. Some of you have witnessed the early days where resources were limited, but ambition was limitless. You saw the foundation being laid. Many of you joined along the way, bringing new ideas, new energy, and new strength. Whether you joined 30 years ago or 30 days ago, you are part of the same story. The story continues to evolve because of all of you. Congratulations. Your performance, integrity, and leadership set benchmarks for others to follow. The past has given us credibility. The present gives us momentum. The future demands leadership. Let us live today not just with memories of celebration, but with renewed responsibility. The journey continues. The ambition grows stronger, and the best chapters of Tenon are still ahead. Thank you very much for all this.
Thank you so much for a wonderful program. Thank you so much, sirs. हम सब इस कंपनी के झुमरू हैं जो बिल्कुल झूमते रहेंगे और सदियां आपके साथ रहेंगे। तो किशोर जी का एक जो बेहतरीन गाना है, दैट वाज झुमरू। सो इट इज ऑल झुमरू, फ्रॉम अ झुमरू टू ऑल झुमरूस। मैं हूँ झुम 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 झुमरू फक्कड़ घूमू बन के घुमरू, मैं ये प्यार का गीत सुनाता चला। मंजिल पे मेरी नजर, मैं दुनिया से बेखबर, बीती बातों पे धूल उड़ाता चला। इडली इडली ओ ओडली ओडली ओ ओडली ओडली ओ ओडली ओडली ओ इडली इडली ओ ओडली ओडली ओ ओडली ओडली ओ।
मेरे को याद नहीं आ रहा है कि लास्ट टाइम इतना खूबसूरत रेजिंग डे इतने जोश के साथ कब आखिरी बार खत्म हुआ। सो ये 31 साल बिल्कुल सही है, नई जनरेशन सही आ गई है। तो वेल डन कुणाल, आपने कल शाम को भी आज भी कमाल करते हैं. You put phenomenal energy into the whole company, and we shall always remember. Big round of applause. जोर से ताली.